For this demonstration, we'll be using a brand new 2024 Outback Touring XT. Starting off at your home screen, if you'd like to turn off your auto start stop feature immediately after getting into the vehicle, you can look down at the bottom left corner and see that you have the option here, this A with a circle around it. Now to access the rest of our vehicle settings, we can actually press the carve setting button located right next to the A, and we see in here we have the rest of our vehicle setting. Starting from top down, this is going to be your traction control. X mode allows you to travel in muddy or snowy climates. You can turn it on or off at the switch of a button or at the top of your screen if you are on the X mode menu. Below that, we have the cruise control acceleration, where you can customize it to your liking between eco, comfort, standard, and dynamic. From top to bottom, that's slower acceleration to faster acceleration. Heading back from there, we can see that below that we have our auto vehicle hold, which some of you may know as automatic brake holding. This is the feature where if you press your foot all the way down on the brake, it will hold it down there for you at stop lights or stop signs. And if you would like to turn that setting on, you can go ahead and toggle it on or off. Just below that, we have our steering responsive headlights. These are the headlights that are going to follow you when you're making a turn. So if you're turning right, your headlights will go right as well. You can turn that setting on or off here. And then last but not least, we see our auto start stop feature once more. Thank you for tuning into Baldwin Subaru's Tips in Under a Minute. If this vehicle helped you out and you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like and subscribe.